How to retrieve messages from blocked contacts on WhatsApp. I'm going to show you how you can easily retrieve messages from blocked contacts on WhatsApp. WhatsApp has a handy feature that allows you to archive chats instead of deleting them. If you've archived the chat with the person you've blocked, you can easily access those messages by following these steps. Open WhatsApp and tap the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner. Select Archive Chats from the options. Find the chat with the blocked contact and tap on it to view the archived messages. This method is straightforward and doesn't require any additional tools or backups. However, it only works if you've archived the chat before blocking the contact. If you are an Android user and have been regularly backing up your WhatsApp data to your Google Drive, you can retrieve blocked messages through this backup. First, ensure you have previously backed up your WhatsApp data to Google Drive. To do this, open WhatsApp, tap the three dots in the top right corner, and select Settings. Then, choose Chats, followed by Backup, and make sure the Backup to Google Drive option is enabled. Next, uninstall WhatsApp from your Android device completely. Then, reinstall the app from the Google Play Store and verify your phone number during the setup process. When prompted, tap Restore to restore your entire chat history, including messages from blocked contacts from your Google Drive backup. Android users can also retrieve blocked messages from a local backup stored on their device's internal storage or an external SD card. Open a File Manager app on your Android device and navigate to the WhatsApp folder, usually located in Internal, then WhatsApp, then Databases. Look for an image named msgstore.db.crypt14 or something similar. Copy this file to a safe location on your computer or another storage device.